How to use LastPass for more than just managing passwords. LastPass is more than just a password manager. It's an encrypted vault where you can store secure notes, secret bookmarks, and even entire files. It can also save your address and credit card numbers and fill those into online forms. You can store secure notes in LastPass as well as passwords. To do this in LastPass on a desktop, click the LastPass icon on your browser's toolbar. Select Secure Notes, and click Add Note. In the LastPass app for iPhone or Android, open the Notes section in your vault and tap the plus sign button. LastPass has secure note templates to help you organize your data. For example, if you're making a note containing the information on your driver's license, you can select the driver's license note type and then enter data in fields like number and expiration date. There are similar templates for Wi-Fi passwords, credit card numbers, social security cards, passports, and anything else you might want to store. To type whatever you want, you can select the generic option and get a big text box. If you want to store another type of data in your vault, you can even create a custom template. Just click the Note Type box, scroll to the bottom, and click Add Custom Template. You can save as many notes as you want and even sort them into folders. To find your notes, click LastPass icon greater than Secure Notes, or select Secure Notes in the vault in the LastPass smartphone app. You can also search through all your secure notes using the search box in LastPass. Like any passwords you save to LastPass, these notes are securely encrypted and stored in your vault. When LastPass is locked, no one will be able to see them, and they'll be accessible on all your devices via the LastPass app. As they sync just like passwords, you can store an unlimited number of items in your LastPass vault. But LastPass says you'll start to see your vault slow down after 2,500 items. Better yet, you can attach files directly to secure notes. LastPass lets you store entire files in your vault. This might be particularly useful for identity documents. For example, you could take a photo of your driver's license or passport and attach it to the appropriate secure note. So you'd always have a photographic copy if you need it in the future. However, you can attach and store any other type of file. 2. Files you store in here are encrypted just like passwords and notes. So this is more secure than just storing them in your Dropbox account or your smartphone's Photos app. To do this, click the Add Attachment button while creating or editing a secure note to add any file you like. In the smartphone app, tap the paperclip icon at the top of the screen while editing a note to attach a photo. According to the LastPass documentation, each attachment can be up to 10 MB in size. Free LastPass accounts can only store 50 MB of files, while paid LastPass accounts can store up to 1 GB. LastPass can store secret bookmarks that are hidden from your normal web browser. If you have sensitive websites you want to remember but don't want anyone else knowing about, keep them here. Enter the address of the web page you want to visit in the URL box. For example, if you wanted to bookmark Google Calendar, you'd enter name the bookmark whatever you want, for example, Google Calendar. You can store the bookmark wherever you want. For example, you might want to place it in a dedicated Bookmarks folder so you can easily find it. You can now click LastPass greater than sites. Click the name of the bookmark folder you created, and click the name of the bookmark to open it in a new browser tab immediately. This list of bookmarks will appear under Sites in the LastPass smartphone app. 2. This works because you can visit your vault and click any saved site to open it. LastPass will automatically fill in your username and password. However, if you save a site without a username and password, LastPass will still remember its address and let you quickly open it. LastPass can remember and fill in more than just usernames and passwords. You can save your name, address, phone number, credit card numbers, and other personal details in LastPass to make entering them easier online. If you see a default form fill profile, click Edit to edit it, or click Add Form Fill to create a new one. Or, if you want to fill your credit card number quickly, click Add Credit Card instead. LastPass lets you fill in all kinds of information, including your name, birth date, Gender, mailing address, email address, phone number,